Let's make some non-traditional Easter bunnies. These are going to last well after the pastel bunnies that we typically have out for Easter will seem maybe a little out of place. You could keep these up really into the summer, all year long, in fact. I am chalking them with the Mini Buffalo Transfer, and I actually use the chalk paste to paint the rest of the bunnies. On the sides and on the back side, I just took a paintbrush in our new Creamy Dreamy formula and painted it on. Then I took the hairdryer to dry everything, and as I'm chalking this side, it will just make for a really fun design. Then I'm going to step it up in just a second to kind of give it a little bit of a finishing touch. Now, here's the reveal, and it never gets old pulling that transfer back. How fun is that? Well, for the next step, I took a sanding pad and I just roughly sanded over all of it to kind of blend it. And then on the back side that was all black, I sanded around the edges. I think it turned out adorable.